for a male, I'm in a lower male falsetto here.
Mm-hmm.
Again, I'm still using my mouth though when I'm here.
Yeah.
So it's C, heart, soul, you. But it's not loud here because if I go loud, C, it's not going to happen. So when I'm up here, still my mouth is still big. C, heart, soul, you. And that was only 5 notes higher, but I had to use a lot more volume, considerable amount of volume to get just 5 notes higher up into my falsetto. So that's an important thing as well too. So we just talk falsetto. I'm still using my mouth a lot in falsetto, and I really learnt that. A huge learning curve that I learnt from Bono was when he was doing Lemon, from the song Lemon, where he was going, and you see him in the video clip, he goes, lemon, see through the sunshine, she wore lemon. And he had a really beautiful pronunciation on the recording. But then when you see him sing, his mouth's working really well. So that's just a great example right there. So anything else you want to ask?
Done.
Well,
mouth placements,
that's mouth
more
placement.
control, more up top, less down below. Guys,
we'll see you singing hopefully up on stage. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or get in contact with us on any social media, and we'll be sure to get back to any of your questions. If we think the question is a ripper, we will make a video for you. Signing off. Thanks, Sam. High five.
Woo!
See you guys.
Talk soon.
Bye-bye.